So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin kabola ang big news nga na nilabas po ni Homer Sison na meron na pong napiling head coach. Ito pong Gilas Pilipinas, and I will give you the top 10 guy, the 10 guy that I'm most confident that will be traded this 2024. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito nga po, Tim Cone. Sabi po ni Homer Sison, ang pili po ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. And in its column po dito kabola, ine-explain niya po kabola na ito nga daw pong si Coach Tim Cone ay kumbaga questionable yung pagkakuha po sa kanya kabola in a way, sa paningin po ni Homer Sison. Sa paningin ko naman, I think he is the best man for the job if we only consider of course yung pong kanyang quality at yung kanya po na-prove na, kasi this guy won that gold in the Asian Games, diba? So this guy is the best guy for the job. Pero of course, the biggest question here and the biggest problem here is that he needs to be 100% focused sa Gilas. And that can only happen, kabola, if he will give up his job right now as the coach of Ginebra. And I do not think that is really a possibility, diba? If that happens, edi full force na tayo kay Coach Tim Cone. Pero hindi kasi yan mangyayari. Mukhang delicads. Now, after the game against Northport, kung saan nanalo po ang Ginebra to go to the semis, nagsalita po ulit si Coach Tim Cone explaining that itong kanya pong pagka-appoint as the permanent head coach, wala pa, kabola. And he explained na yes, nakausap na siya, na-interview na siya regarding the job, pero there's still no inclination that he received, kabola, that he will be the guy for the job. So, in a way, anong nangyari dito kay Homer Sison? Baka insider kumbaga sa management yung kaya naging info. Ganun po kaya ito kabola, or namali na naman itong si Homer Sison. There's still a chance na namali po itong si Homer Sison. Ito na yung ating 10 players that I'm most confident to be traded. Isa-isahin po natin. Ray Suerte kabola. The connection of Baguada Elite to the MVP group teams kabola is there, and I think Suerte is underrated in the eyes of the fans, so hindi po siya masyado maging controversial kung ito kayo pupunta sa mga SMC teams. Jeron Teng, I think there's a strong vibe sa akin kabola na yung kanilang pong pagperma sa San Miguel Beermen, of course, is legit naman, pero currently with the playing time, with his role in the team, there's a good argument that within this year kabola, they will need to break up. Number 8, Stanley Pringle. Stanley Pringle, due to the reason that Ginebra may be forced to trade for another superstar if they fail again, kabola, in this tournament, and there's a good chance for that, kabola, and Pringle could be their best bait. So kaya po nandito sa listahan natin si Pringle. Nambatak is the next guy. So bakit po nandito si Nambatak? Kasi nga po, yung mga younger guards po, kabola, dun sa rotation po ng Reyn Ocean in a ways na overtaken na siya. I'm talking about Andre Caracon, and other guards are there younger than him kabola that can even improve, while Nambatak is still a very good guard kabola, pero he may want to be on another team kung saan mas consistent po yung role niya and playing time. Kemar Carino of Terra Firma is next one. I think he's so underrated right now, and knowing the importance of big man, a trade for him is a big possibility, diba? Si Carino is a modern big. He can defend the rim, kabola. He can shoot threes. Number 5 will be Wami Chongson, kabola. It's more about pride and ego, diba? At the end of the day, parang hindi ako maniniwala, kabola, na forever na lang po na tatanggapin ni Wami Chongson that is playing for a team that is actually not aiming to win, diba? He will force himself out, I think, as this year na yun mangyayari. Jay Ambot will be the next one. Ambot, kabola, he is a very good prospect, although hindi nga po siya nabibigyan ng consistent playing time ni Coach Aldin Ayo, and I think that could be the reason kung bakit it will end up in a breakup and they will just get something in return, kabola. Arvin Tolentino is the next big name in our list, kasi Tolentino, we all know naman that he is the top scorer in this tournament, kabola. Eliminated na yung team niya, pero all the other SMC teams malamang they know what they saw, and this guy is legit. Troy Rosario, sobrang rami lang masyado po talaga ng trade rumor regarding him. I think a trade will happen either sa San Miguel yan, sa TNT, sa Meralco, or sa NX. I think a trade will really happen this year, kabola. And of course, Robert Bolick, the chances, no, diba, TNT, NLEX, Meralco na lang Kabola yung naiiwan na competing for a shot in the semifinals, Kabola. So, Robert Bolick, malamang maging target po yan ng either TNT or NX to improve their chances. I mean, TNT pala. So, Kabola, sa palagay mo, sino dito ang matatrade? Comment lang po sa baba.